morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. This morning I will be preparing another chicken skewer recipe with spices. So I have 2 breasts in this bag and I will get started. I need to chop them up into cube-sized pieces. So my chicken is in the bowl, cut up. I will now put in my spices and my mayonnaise. I need 3 tablespoons. They're big tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of oregano. It is the first time I try this recipe. One-quarter cup of olive oil. Three tablespoons of lemon juice. Got to get my lemon juice. Oh, it's a bit over 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. One teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. One teaspoon of mustard. A teaspoon. About a teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of chicken broth. 1/2 teaspoon. With 2 teaspoons of water, that's to help for this. It's a little bit less than a teaspoon I got there. I'll just add another little bit. And salt and pepper to taste. Bit of pepper, bit of salt. So I mix all this up. And I'll be doing this in a bowl rather than in a plastic bag. But yes, you can use a plastic bag. And then while it's settling in the fridge, I will come in and mix it up once in a while. So I will be back to do my onion and pepper. Thank you. At least 30 minutes before you do your skewers, you put your sticks to soak in the water. So that is done. I will cut up a pepper and I will cut up an onion. My vegetables are cut up. Now I will get the skewers ready. pepper, onion, piece of chicken. I'll be doing 4. Supposed to have enough to do 4. Just gotta be sure that get enough place on the stick. The chicken is cut big. That's what we're going to do. Now I will put the rest of this over them. It does smell good, this marinade. So now I will head over to the barbecue. Barbecue is a little over 400 degrees. I will put them on. And turn them around. I will now put my heat down and let them cook. I will now check them out. One is done. Two are done. That one's done. This one, where did I get in there? So they are done. Very anxious to taste these. This is what it looks like. Cuts very simply. It's tender. Very good. It is delicious. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching my video. Until next time, bon appétit. You all take care. Bye.